Couldn't believe the low temperatures you cited earlier, Jim. Pretty impressive for the first day of December.
Yeah, and the lowest one's not even on the map. The lowest ones were in some creek bottoms out in the hill country. Fortunately, places where people don't live.
We're not there, thankfully.
Yeah, but they were really, really cold. We'll talk more about that in a minute. I wanted to show you, in case you missed it, at the top of the broadcast, the lows this morning, record-breaking out at the airport at 23 degrees, but that was one of the coldest readings in Travis County. Not the coldest, actually. Big Sandy Creek, again, another low-lying area where the LCRA has a weather station to monitor creek flow. Up there near near Jonestown, actually, had a temperature 18 degrees this morning. That's in Travis County. 31 was the low temperature in the city at Camp Mabry, our first freezing morning of the season. As a matter of fact, tomorrow, December 2nd, is our average first freeze date, so you don't get much closer than that. Warmed up into the 60s this afternoon. Okay, here were the in-town low temperatures this morning, and the Gillespie County Airport's just a little outside Fredericksburg, so it's a little bit rural, 21 degrees. 23 at the Llano Airport, 27 at Burnitz Airport, 27 also in Georgetown's, generally 25 to 28 in town in our eastern counties. But again, we had that 18 up around Georgetown. We had a 16-degree reading this morning, 16 degrees on Johnson Creek, just west of Llano on the LCRA network. And there were several other in low-lying areas out here, 17, 18, 19 degree readings in rural parts of our hill country counties. But likely at your home, it wasn't quite that cold this morning. But that's a hard freeze. Boy, it sure turned out to be nice today, didn't it, though? 62 degrees right now with a clear sky. We're headed to another chilly night tonight, just not as cold as last night. 50 at 8 o'clock. At 10 o'clock tonight, down into the mid-40s. These are current readings. What a big rebound today in this dry air. We really warmed up. It's 65 right now in LaGrange. It's 63 degrees down here in San Marcos. Same up in Georgetown. 61 degrees in Burnett. In Austin, it's 62. Dew point still dry enough to chap your lips. 18 degrees right now. The dew point 18 at the airport, making the relative humidity 17%. Winds are variable at 5. Winds have gone southerly at the airport at 10 miles per hour. Sunset is at exactly 5:30 p.m. Stick around. We'll show it to you live. It's the couple of nights a year that we get to show you sunset live right at the time it's going down below the horizon. It's really beautiful. Mold count 421 is medium, and tomorrow our allergy forecast, mold medium 2 around the state. 50s and 60s. It's pretty mild after the cold morning statewide this morning. Southerly flow has returned now as the high-pressure ridge that brought us the cold morning has moved off to the east. It is the jet stream pattern right now, one that is up in this location. That's going to keep the real cold air bottled up for a while. It's pretty chilly from Fargo over to Chicago, 10 to 25 degrees right there, but it's not headed our way. In fact, a building ridge of high pressure will make it real nice the next several afternoons right on into the weekend. Then we'll have a little cold front on Saturday. We'll have another one Monday night. This northwesterly flow will make sure it's chillier early next week from about Sunday all the way to Tuesday or Wednesday with only a slight chance of some precipitation. In the meantime, enjoy the warming trend. Both morning lows and daytime highs will get warmer and warmer as we head toward the weekend. Overnight tonight, many places should stay above freezing tonight. Low-lying areas, a light freeze again in the morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, I think most of us get to 70 degrees or thereabouts. Tonight, 39. Clear, south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly clear anyway, a few high clouds out there. Tomorrow, 70, southwest winds, and mostly sunny. Friday, beautiful, 75 degrees, just a wonderful day. The cold front will come through sometime on Saturday, thinking it's going to be in the afternoon, so we may still get to 72. And then we are a little chillier Sunday through Wednesday. We may cloud up Monday, Tuesday with a slight chance of a little light rain. We're not certain about that scenario quite yet.
Okay.